Hi, I'm Owen Honey, a local DIY enthusiast from Builders. We're at Festool South Africa today to discuss some of their latest products on the market. Joining me is Kostas Stavrakis, who is from Festool. Kostas, first take us through who Festool is.
Festool is a German company established in 1925. They're the world's leading power tool manufacturing company.
So it looks like a circular saw, but what sets it apart?
The TS75 is an absolute game changer. There's nothing like this saw on the market that is quite the same as this.
What are the advantages of working with a TS75?
The advantages of the TS75, you have your capabilities of plunging up to 75 millimeters, hence the name TS75. You've got the capabilities as well of cutting straight, accurate, precise lines, splinter-free, left side and right side.
Now, obviously working with a circular saw, you have to have some safety features. So what safety features does the TS75 have?
Safety feature on the TS75 is called the fast fix. If you eject that plunges the blade and allows the user to change the blade in a safe environment.
So it has an aluminium casing around it. What is the reason for that?
It's designed in such a way that it's a flat case housing is to run smoothly and right up against a vertical wall.
So the TS75, you can buy it as a single unit. What accessories do you get along with it?
Okay, so you have two options. You can buy the machine on its own. Alternatively, you can buy another option where a machine comes with a 1.4 meter guardrail. My recommendation is getting the one with the 1.4 meter guardrail.
So Festool prides itself on a dust-free environment. Can you attach this to a dust extractor?
Most certainly. We actually encourage the user to use it with dust extraction. With that being said, you're going to get prolonged life out of the machine, the blade, and obviously a clean surface area.
Now I see a dust bag there, what looks like a dust bag. What would you call it?
In layman's terms, it's a dust collector. It's not a dust extractor, it's just essentially collecting the dust.
Now Costa, what is this? Because it's a special tool that comes with the TS75.
Oh, and that's where the magic happens. There's no other machine on the market that incorporates a splinter guard on the machine itself. So that is going to allow the user to get a splinter-free, chip-free, clean cut.
Another thing I noticed on the TS75 is that it's got a riving knife. Where would you use this and why?
What makes the TS75 so special is that it's got a built-in riving knife. So the minute you plunge your blade, your riving knife deploys at the same time. And what that essentially does, it keeps the wood separated and prevents pinching of the wood onto the blade of the machine.
So can you buy extra blades for the TS75, and what kind of blades can you get?
Yes, you can. So the machine comes with a 36 tooth blade. The arb is 30 millimeters and it's a 210 diameter. It comes with one of those, but yes, you have the option of buying various different blades for various materials.
Now Festool comes with a warranty and great backup service. Tell us a bit more about that.
Festool pride themselves on their 3-year fully comprehensive warranty. The minute the machine becomes obsolete or discontinued, or if there's a new revised model, we'll still carry spare parts going forward for 10 years.
So the TS75 we know can cut in a straight line, but can it cut at angles?
Most definitely. The machine, you can go up to 45 and you can extend that to 47, as well as 0 and -1.
Now who's the TS75 geared towards?
Everybody and anybody that works with wood, from your carpenters, to your contractors, to your floor installers, to your furniture manufacturers.
Costa, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, my pleasure.
Well, Festool has got you covered when you're looking for German precise engineered tools. And if you'd like to learn more about these tools, please go to our website, which is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.